Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Let's talk about this saucepan because it feels like a true buy-at-once kitchen staple. I've had mine for almost 20 years now and I love it. I use it constantly. First of all, the size is so practical. 4 quarts gives you that roomy, everyday versatility. Perfect for warming soups, making pastas, heating liquids, or doing a quick batch of mashed potatoes without feeling cramped. And I really love the high, straight sides because they help minimize splashing while you're stirring and or mashing, which means less mess on the stovetop, right? And a calmer cooking experience. Now let's talk performance because this is where the All-Clad shines. This pan uses D3 triple ply construction, fully bonded all the way to the rim, so you get fast, even heat that helps prevent scorching and those annoying hot spots. That even heat makes a big difference when you're doing anything delicate like sauces, gravies, or warming milk, where you want control and consistency. The stainless interior is also great when you want to deglaze and make a simple pan sauce with all the flavor bits. I love doing that with my beef roast gravy. And can we appreciate the helper handle? Well, mine doesn't have that because mine is about 20 years old, but later they added that handle. When the pan is full, that would be nice because it gives an extra handle, makes lifting and pouring feel safer and steadier, especially if you're moving from stove to counter. It's also oven and broiler safe, up to 600 degrees, works on induction, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so it's truly built to last. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.